Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be decorating for a christening ceremony. We did a beautiful ring decoration at Hotel Papaya Tree in Indore. If you are from the area and need any occasion decoration, you can WhatsApp us. To start, we first set up the backdrop stand and attach the white curtain. Then I set up the 6-foot ring. Placed a round banner board at the center using a fishing line. Meanwhile, my team members prepared the cardboard baby box by adding balloon bunches inside it. The balloons were inflated to 5 inches with pink and blue colors. Once the banner was fixed, I made clusters of blue, pink and chrome gold balloons, inflated to 8 inches and arranged them in sets. This is a reference image so that you can understand what bunches and what was the sequence I used in my ring decoration. Once the bunches were ready, I started placing them on the ring as per the sequence. After that, to make the decoration more precise and to fill the gap, we added small clusters of all the 3 colors. We then added our baby box to the right side of the ring and placed a cake table decorated with balloons. Once everything was done, we completed the decoration by spraying shine spray on the balloons. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like, share and comment for more such videos. Until then, take care and bye-bye.